We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for LinkedIn. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard here. You need to set up an event type that you want to share on LinkedIn. Click on the new event type button. Choose the type of event you want, like a one-on-one meeting. Customize your event by setting the duration, availability, and any other preferences you want. After you've set up your event, click on Save and Close. Now go to your event type and click on the share button to get the link. Copy this link as you'll need it for LinkedIn. Next, open LinkedIn in another tab and log into your account. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. To add your Calendly link, click on Add Profile section and select Contact Info. In the Contact Info pop-up, paste your Calendly link under the website section. You can label it as Schedule a Meeting or something similar. Click Save to update your profile. Now, whenever someone visits your LinkedIn profile, they can easily schedule a meeting with you by clicking on that link. This integration helps streamline the process of setting up meetings, making it more efficient for you and your connections. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.